Welcome to the world of software products at PinSoftTech. Let us view a video for our award-winning software published as Kibis check printing software. Check printing software is meant to print any kind of bank's check. Instead of writing checks manually, we can make our regular check computerized with our software. You need not to buy or ask your bank for any special checkbook or any kind of special checks. You can avoid your corrections and all writing mistakes in checks, and that will really fulfill the Reserve Bank's rule and give you a very corporate look. I will explain you how to operate this software and utilize it in maximum ways. Please click on login to start the software. This is a main screen of the software. I will explain you all the functions and facilities which are given in this particular software. Please click on bank. You will have this particular window which will show you our 5 buttons operating system, where view is to view a record, add is to add or insert a new record, modify is to modify inserted record, delete is to delete particular selected record, and close is to close active window. If you click on view add, you will have this window in front of you where you need to just insert your bank's name. After inserting your bank, please click on check setup. If you have your bank inserted inside, please click on modify after selecting your bank. You will receive this particular window where you can make all kind of setups, like you can change your fonts, you can change your types, everything you can manage it here. You can have different setups by facility of drag and drop a particular field. We have given check number facility to print for counter side blank page printing for particular check. You can print or manage your counters of the checkbook by this option. You can change your fonts, styles of the fonts by clicking on the particular font and selecting the size of the font. You can even color the font if you want. I think so this is not a usual feature which will be used by general public. Mostly black color will be utilized, but we have given a feature. You can change n number of fields, fonts and everything. You can manage it here. If your bank has not given a stamp printed for company name and authorized signatory or proprietor or director or managing trustee, so if you are a trust, if you are a company, if you are a proprietorship company, if you are a partnership company, if you are a doctor, CA, manufacturers, any kind of companies, you can utilize this software to manage your work very easy, and you will receive corporate look, and you can avoid writing mistakes with this particular software. You can use check number, starting check number to ending check number feature to avoid writing check numbers on regular basis while entering a data. Please click on OK to save this particular setup. Click on entry to enter a new check. You will have a window which is almost equivalent to size of the check. You can select account type or bearer check. You can select, this default date will be a current date of your system, but you can select whatever the date which you want, so you can issue post dated checks as well. If you have inserted any particular party's name, you need not to insert it again. If you click particular first name, you will receive the complete party name, and if the same name or more names will have, you will show particular records inside of this window. So you need not to enter all pay to party names again and again. If you enter your amount in digits, this will store in words automatically. You can enter check number like this. You can insert particular detail of the checks like against invoice number so and so, whatever you want. Click on OK to save the record, then click on print. If you want to modify a record, you can modify it here by selecting modify. You can print the same check again by modify and click on print. This is a font style what we have selected in the wizard. You can print XX before the amount if you want to avoid any misuse of the check's amount. This is a facility to take data backup of the software. This is to take data restore of the software. I will show you other functions of the reports. Say for example, if we select a date wise bank report, you can have this report in front of you. So you can know what are the number of checks you have issued from this date to date for this particular bank. You can have check number wise report if you want. You can have party wise report if you want. You can have list to print window, and by selecting this particular check you can again print the particular check from the report. We have given a license surrender facility by which you can transfer your software from one computer to another by surrendering a license. That is unregistration of the product. You have to insert your license detail with user ID and passwords and other details and click on the next. This will unregister the product from this machine and you can use this same software in another machine. You can print all the checks in laser and inkjet printers only. You cannot use dot matrix printer where continuous stationery is applicable. I tried my level best to explain you all the functions of our award-winning check printing software, but still if you have any kind of doubts or queries, please feel free to call us on our help desk or write us at support@pinsoftech.com. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.